Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to use AI replace under Furni AI. Okay, so let's say here I have one template, so I can click to select template. I'm going to use this bedroom. Okay, the plan is I want to change this bed as a new bed set that I want to upload on my own. So here under product image, we need to upload one picture of bed. Okay, I'm using this one. Okay, this one will take a while depending on your internet connection. So let's say this one, I want to replace my bed, right? So after I upload, I can click to replace now. That will cost me 8 points of deduction. Just click it here. So it will process with a new image that is going to replace the original image of bed. Okay, let it work first. Right? So this is the result after you replace the product. So this is the replacement product and this one is the original image. So you can compare here, we have replaced product and also original image. Right? So that is basically how you use AI replace. Alright, that is all from me. Thank you.